Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Flavor 10. Today I'm gonna make a very festive meat dish, roasted lamb leg. Eid al-Azha is around the corner and we all need easy, no sweat but delicious comfort meals for Eid. This classic dish brings feelings of nostalgia because of COVID situation we cannot go to our hometown and I'm kind of missing my family get-togethers. And this easy and main showy dish used to be a must on our Eid menu. So today I'm gonna share its recipe with you. This is my mother's recipe and you would totally love it. So let's get started. For this recipe you will be needing these ingredients. No complex ingredients and spices, only salt and pepper, that's it. So that real flavor of meat shines through. First of all, nicely wash and clean the meat. Then pat it dry with a kitchen towel. Now we cut slits on the top of the leg. Like this. Deep enough to reach the bone. Like so. Other side as well. If you feel cuts are not deep enough, you can make them a little bit deeper so that seasoning reach there nicely. Yes, done. Now put 1 cup oil or ghee in a pan. I am using here desi ghee, but if you don't have it, no problem, you can use oil. Here keep in mind, do not add your meat straight away. We first need to heat the oil at full flame. Its temperature should be around 200 degrees centigrade. When you feel that oil is sizzling hot, then put the meat. You must hear this sound. Only then you would have a nice golden brown color on your roast. Do not move or turn. Let it leave there for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, sneak a little bit. Check if it is nicely golden brown or not. See, it's changed its color, but it's not that deep color which we want. So I'm gonna put it back again for another 1 minute. Let's check now. Oh, perfect. We need this color on all sides. Also note that do not turn the flame low during frying. Otherwise, meat will not sear properly. For rapid browning, all water of the meat must be eliminated before. Otherwise, at low temperature of the oil, meat is gonna release its water and searing would be difficult. This is the reason we have patted dry our meat before frying. This searing or browning will keep our meat juicy. When all sides are done, take it out in a roasting pan. To that I am adding 1 onion to have a wonderful aroma in the sauce. Now crush few cloves of garlic. Garlic goes very well with the meat and it takes flavor of the meat to the next level. To create steam in the pot, I am taking 1 cup of water. To that I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. This is gonna help in killing any unpleasant lingering smell of the meat. 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste. Rule of thumb of salt is 1 teaspoon per kg meat. This leg was around 2 kgs, that's why I am taking 2 teaspoons. Next we have black pepper. I am taking 1.5 teaspoons. This is gonna enhance the flavor of the meat. Now we are gonna mix everything up until combined. Like this. Now we're gonna pour this mixture over the meat. Cover all sides. Other side as well. Then spread the seasoning with your hand so that it nicely goes within the cuts. That's it. Now cover with the foil. Nicely tuck in all sides and corners so that no steam escapes. Then put that in the preheated oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. It's gonna slowly cook in the steam at low temperature of the oven until it pulls off the bone. Between halfway, like after 2 hours or 1.5 hours, take it out. Check. If you feel that water has dried up, then add half a glass more water. Change its side like that. Cover and bake again for remaining hours. Let's check after 4 hours. It actually depends on the leg of the lamb. If it is bigger, then it may take a little longer. But in my case, it's done. See, meat has pulled away from the bone. That means it's ready. Dish it out and look at the color. Wonderful. See how easy. No marination required, no complex spices required, nothing. Only fry meat, add seasoning and pop it in the oven. Delicious self-cooked black pepper sauce is also ready. Pour it all over. And look at this goodness. Oh, yum. Serve it with steamed vegetables. I have taken potatoes, carrots, broccoli and peas. Steamed them in a steamer and seasoned with salt and pepper. Nicely spread all over the dish. And here it is. Your delicious festive meal is ready in just 3 easy steps. Sear, season and bake. If you want to impress your family this Eid, try this one out. You're gonna get rave compliments. And do share your feedback with me. Now the moment of truth. Let's check its tenderness. See how soft and tender. And secret of this tenderness is low and slow in the oven. So don't rush when it's baking. Check it out. So juicy and moist. Meat is falling off the bone very easily. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy it with your family and do remember us in your prayers. Wish you all a blissful Eid, and I'm gonna see you again with another wonderful recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.